They probably gonna have some bullshit. I'm just gonna be real. Want you to feel me. Hey cuties, welcome back to another vlog. So today I am just doing a little bit of house cleaning. I have already stripped our bed, and no, I cannot wash the linen yet. Our new wash and dry still has not come, okay? So, but yeah, I'm just gonna change out the set. I'm so sick of doing this because I'm just sick of doing this. This is weekly sheet changing when it should be a monthly set changing. Anyway, I have this stuff right here on the floor. So those are the sheets that are going down into the laundry room. These are some little pillows that I picked up from IKEA the last time we went. I'm just going to put those into the dryer because our dryer still works on the sanitized setting. And this this little throw here too, I'm going to put that in there on the sanitized setting because I want to put those back on the bed since, you know, I can't wash them. I'm going to sanitize them on the sanitize setting in the dryer. But yeah, take that to the laundry room. And once again, the closet is you know, a little out of sorts. My dresser, just gotta clear that off. And that is my laundry basket right there. Never do I ever let my laundry basket get that high. Okay, this is a little cover that I like to wrap up in at night. That needs to be washed as well. So I'm really sick and tired of waiting, but I have to wait. I gotta wait for the new washer and dryer to arrive. It's so depressing, y'all. And look, this is the shower chair that I have, and now I put my plant on it. This thing, it's okay. I'm still gonna use it, but I have to put a towel on top of it when I sit on it to do like foot care or shave my legs or something like that, because I kind of like slide around on top of there, and it's like, who wants to slide around when they're trying to take care of their legs and their feet, you know, in the shower? Fall in the shower because of the shower chair. But yeah, it's still fine. I'm still going to use it. And yes, I wiped it off after my hiney was on that before I put my plant on it, okay? Don't do that. Don't do that, y'all. I'm about to vacuum in here. That's why I have the vacuum sitting right there. But the bed is made, you guys. And this is the tray that I got from IKEA. You know, it opens up and it stands. So it's like a breakfast in bed tray, dinner in bed, whatever in bed. So that's how my remote's there and a candle for right now. I had a smaller tray that I like to put on the bed, but you know, I removed that thing because this is going to come in handy. Okay, I'll use it for like my laptop, like writing in bed, whatever. So I'm glad I bought this because I could even like stand my iPad up against this little groove here or whatever. But I have to clean off my nightstands because that thing is a little dusty. It's like really dusty. So I have my phone here charging. I have my little candle over here now. And my little fishy. Hi there. Hi there. I need to put more water in there for him. But yeah, we're going to have to get this thing dusted off because it's dirty. The dress is dirty. I'm going to go ahead and sort out my laundry. But look at that. That is like the worst. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that sorted and just go ahead and take it to the laundry room. That will always be down there. You guys just don't understand. You guys just don't understand. Like, this is, it's terrifying. I'm thinking of either buying some of those Reba frames, the large ones. I never paid attention to the fact that IKEA had those really big frames for like $20 to $25. Like, I think they're larger than that canvas picture. Yeah, because I don't want any mirrors behind this. You know, I think that'd be doing a little too much with the design of this. Then some mirrors over here, that'd be too much. Trying to get into this program on Netflix. It's like in and out where it's catching my attention and then it doesn't. In my sexy cleaning attire for today. Check out the blue socks, the blue house socks, baby. With the robe and PJ bottoms. It's a whole look. I just ordered a new book from Amazon for the coffee table. And tonight for dinner I'm going to make stuffed shells. So I took out the ground beef already. I think I'm going to go ahead and fry that now. That way when I get ready to make it, the ground beef was already, you know, ready to go. But I don't have any red sauce, so I'm not sure. What do I have in there I can make? I think I have some tomato paste. Have some tomato paste in there? I don't know. We'll figure out something for the sauce. Maybe I have to make a white sauce. Because I do have some heavy cream and half in there. So maybe we'll do like a white sauce for our stuffed shells for dinner tonight. Have these shells stuffed. I'm just gonna top them with some parsley, some fresh parsley, and put them into this white sauce right here. I can feel you need me. Good to me. Oh, making love all night. Feels so strange, feels so crazy to be in your world. In your arms, lost for words, you got me. Hey cuties. So it is much later the next day. Okay, what time is it? What time is it? 2:31. So my son is almost out of virtual school for today. Anyway, you guys, I was checking with another vendor, one of my previous vendors that I've already been, you know, working with or whatever. Every time I log on to even order some new stuff, it's always sold out, sold out, sold out, sold out. So I'm like, what? I need some inventory. I need some new stuff. Like the ladies looking for new stuff. People at my job. What you got? What you got? What you got? What you got? What you got new? What you got new? When you get something new, when you get, I don't have anything new. The other people haven't opened up to me yet, so I can't look there. The hot stuff is in Miami. That's all I gotta say. My vendor that's in Florida, they got the hot shit. Right now I'm getting ready to cut up some of these bananas so I can freeze them. And this mango, cut this one. That way I can freeze it and have it for a smoothie. I have a J Siobhan YouTube channel too. I'm gonna start uploading business videos on that side. That way if you all want to see anything over there as far as like the business side of things, like how you start your home-based business, and then you know the things that you need for home-based business in order for it to be legal is the same things you need for a brick and mortar. So the information will work for both. But for me right now it's just a little less expensive to run it from home, and then you know later try to get a warehouse, or you know that you can use public storage places as a pack and ship place, but you can't like open a storefront from there, but they will allow you to store your inventory and come in and pack and ship. A lot of people don't know that, but that's probably the way that I'm going to go. So I'm gonna have all that stuff in the house. But the only bad thing about that will be that will have to go there, you know, to pack and ship items. And, you know, it's a storage facility, you know what I'm saying? So it's not going to be as inviting, you know. It won't be as inviting. Okay, I have this cut. Let me cut this mango. Is it soft enough? Yeah, I'll cut this mango and get this stuff in the freezer. Then I'm going to the bedroom. I need to think. So, you guys, look at this. So you all know that this is not how I live. This is definitely not how I live. I love to have my bed made when I get up. If not right when I get up, after I at least wash my face and use the potty in the morning. But my husband, he went to work late today, so he was in bed for a while, and I never came back in here to even mess around with the bed. But I'm gonna take advantage of it. I'm gonna use my little tray, okay, open it up, sit here and think about new ideas for jsiobhan.com, which if you guys don't know, J Siobhan is named after my kids. So it's parts of their names combined. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get some work done for myself, and I guess search out some new vendors with some good items, you know what I'm saying, like the good stuff that sells fast, you know. Oh, okay, this is how the tray looks once it's open and standing. So I have my laptop up there already, and I'm just gonna go over some stuff. I could just take my water down. Yeah, it's real good and sturdy. What was it? $12.99 at IKEA, I believe. Something like that. So look, you guys, this is how my labeling started off with the company. When I did have, like, it's not showing up for y'all. Like I was saying, if it shows up this way, this is how the label, it still don't want to show up for y'all. Is it that damn small? Is it straight up that small? I don't want to show up. Ha. Well, you see what we graduated from. We graduated from this tiny labeling and nothing on the back of our cosmetic packages to, there it is. Anyway, we graduated to this type of packaging with the directions and the ingredients on the back. And I'll say like maybe 4 months time when I first started like the cosmetic side of things. Yeah, this is making me smile right here because I'm so sad about the other stuff. I mean, I don't really have reason to be sad, but I'm sad because it's time to, you know, it's time for photo shoots. It's time for like getting the girls together to take pictures for me. It's just time for that. And I don't have no product to do that with, you know. Lord. It's time for flyers, you know. But I'm not gonna stress myself out about it because maybe something else better will come. Maybe I can get back on there and find the good stuff. How like I just don't understand. You guys just don't understand. If you have a business, small, big, medium-sized business, whatever, however for your business is, you understand. I know you understand. Woosah. And I'm gonna turn on TV and watch something. Watch something, think, locate new vendors. I wish we had local vendors. We don't have that kind of stuff. And if we do, I don't know nothing about it. Maybe that's what I should do. Just an underground searching to see about some local vendors because I would love to just be able to go and browse and stuff. And then I might pick up like simple things like simple sundresses, like simple short sets. Because it won't be a big deal because it won't be like a high ass shipping. Because right now, to get things, I pay high ass shipping costs. But, I mean, whatever. You know, the larger amount you get, the higher the shipping. But, you know, that's what I need to do. Search local vendors. They probably gonna have some bullshit. I'm just gonna be real. I'm just gonna be real. But I'm gonna work on this. Get my life together. Watch something, and I will get with y'all in the next vlog. I don't know how long this vlog is. I'm sorry if it's real short. My vlog's not long anyway, but I'm hoping it's more than, 15 minutes. I'm hoping it's a little more than that. But if not, I apologize. But I'll see y'all next time, cuties, in my next one.